Mole is one of the 7 SI base units that defines the amount of substance. A mole is indeed associated with a fixed count of entities. It is basically a huge fixed number. 1 mole of entity is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of individual entity. That means it is 6022000000000000000000000. This is not a random number. It is a result of 100 years of research and contribution from 12 independent scientists. Let's now understand this number. If I say, I have 1 mole of apple, that means I have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of apples. 1 mole of pen is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of pens. So, 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of that substance. The same is applied to all atoms, molecules, ions and polymers. Always remember, 1 mole of anything, whether it is atom, ions, molecule or polymer, is always equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of that entity. If any container contains 1 mole of any atom, that means it has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of that particular atom. For example, 1 mole of iron atom means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of iron atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen molecule means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of hydrogen molecule. Now, if I ask how many hydrogen atoms are present in 1 mole of hydrogen molecule, we know 1 hydrogen molecule is made with 2 hydrogen atoms. In 1 mole of hydrogen molecule, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of hydrogen molecules are there. Now, the total number of hydrogen atoms in 1 mole of hydrogen molecule is 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which is 2 moles. Similarly, 1 mole of polyethylene is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of polyethylene units. Practice question. How many number of moles of oxygen atoms, hydrogen atoms and carbon atoms present in 3 mole of glucose molecule, which is C6H12O6? From the molecular formulae, we can say 1 glucose molecule has 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. Therefore, 1 mole of glucose molecules have 6 moles of carbon atoms, 12 moles of hydrogen atoms and 6 moles of oxygen atoms. So, 3 moles of glucose molecule will contain 18 moles of carbon atoms, 18 moles of oxygen atoms and 36 moles of hydrogen atoms.